punish me to use it. Don't let me waste my time today. Help me always to know what I ought to be doing and to do it. Don't let me miss any opportunities today. Opportunities to learn something new. Opportunities to make myself a little better and a little wiser than I am. Don't let me quarrel with anyone today. All through today, don't let me forget you, so that whatever I do may be fit for you to see. All this I ask for my love's sake. Amen.
Thank you, Priyanka. Now we will again join our hands for the prayer song.
Lord, I come, I confess, blowing here I find my rest. Without you, I fall apart. You are one that guides my heart. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My friend access, my righteousness. Oh God, I need you.
For every child, the school unfolds a whole range of experiences. Schooling is the sense of attachment, the pride of being a part of a particular institution. So, to show love and respect towards our school, I would like to call my friend Khushi and Anshika for the school anthem.
There's a bit of knowledge everywhere. The greatest gift to be accumulated. There's a need of determination and vast degree of motivation. Let us join your hands together to attain the greatest knowledge. Let us make efforts to grow and win the space of future ahead. Walk with us, dear Apollo team. Lead us all to wisdom. Hope for the better tomorrow. Your faith can be rewarded. Let us remain with open hands to welcome the bright future and success. Let us join our hands together to attain the greatest knowledge. Let us make efforts to grow and win the space of future ahead. Walk with us, the Apollo team. Lead us all to wisdom. Let us bloom out with flying colors. We can achieve success, great things. For we are blessed by the Lord. We are the wisdom of God. Let us join our hands together to attain the greatest knowledge. Let us make efforts to grow and win the space of future ahead. Walk with us, the Apollo team. Lead us all to wisdom. Walk with us, the Apollo team. Lead us all to wisdom. Walk with us, the Apollo team. Lead us all to wisdom.
As a citizen or as a social being of India, we have some duties towards our country. Let's instill a sense of patriotism among us. Let's take a vow with my friend Krish.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Thank you.
New morning is a new beginning and a new hope. We need to give full efforts to achieve goals. because there is no shortcut to achieve success. A small positive thought can change our life. So, to brighten our morning assembly, I would like to call Kriti for thought of the day.
In ancient times, a king had his men place a huge rock on a roadway. He then hid in the bushes and watched to see if anyone would move the rock out of the way. Some of the king's wealthiest merchants and courtiers passed by and simply walked around it. Many people blamed the king for not keeping the road clear, but none of them did anything about getting the stone removed. And so it happened that one day a peasant came along carrying vegetables. Upon approaching the rock, the peasant laid down his burden and tried to push the rock out of the way. After much pushing and straining, he finally managed. After the peasant went back to pick up his vegetables, he noticed a purse lying in the road where the rock had been. The purse contained many gold coins, and a note from the king explained that the gold was for the person who removed the rock from the road. You see, in a life, every obstacle that we come across gives us an opportunity to improve our circumstance. And while the lazy complain, others will create opportunities through their kind hearts, generosity, willingness to get things done. So, see every problem as an opportunity and a chance to become better and to grow.
We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. I repeat, we don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges.
Now, I would like to call my respected teacher, Ms. Pooja Karki ma'am, to explain the thought of the day.
Hello dear student. In everyday life we are facing many problems. So take every problem as an opportunity to become better and to grow.
Definite sense of purpose is the starting point of all achievements. Limitations lives only in our mind. But if we use our imaginations, our possibilities will be limitless. By this quote, we are dispersing today's morning assembly. I thank all of you for joining this beautiful morning assembly. Have a cheerful day ahead. Thank you.